Hi all, it's Susan Roberts with eXp Realty, your favorite gray-haired realtor, with some good news for buyers. From the standpoint of obtaining a loan, it just became easier to purchase a home in 2022. If you've decided that your house no longer meets your needs, say you need more space, need a home office, or maybe you're a renter who is struggling to save for a down payment, your ability to qualify for a mortgage has just gotten better. This past week, the FHFA, which handles mortgages by Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae, and the Federal Housing Administration, or FHA, is raising its loan limit for prospective purchasers. The term used to describe the maximum loan limit they will entertain is called the conforming loan limit. So, what is the difference between a conforming loan and a non-conforming loan? Conforming loans are the only loans that meet the requirements to be acquired by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, referred to as the secondary market. Jumbo loans, which exceed the conforming limit, are the most common type of non-conforming loan. Since lenders can't sell these non-conforming loans to Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac to free up their cash, they're a bit riskier for the lender. This is especially true for jumbo loans which aren't backed by any government guarantees. If you would default on a jumbo loan, it's a huge blow to the lender. So lenders generally charge higher interest rates to compensate. And they can have even more requirements. Say, for example, lenders who give out jumbo loans often require that you make a down payment of 20% or more. And you may have to show that you have at least 6 months worth of cash in reserve. So what happened last week, and why should you care? The FHFA has significantly increased its conforming loan limits for 2022 due to the historic house price appreciation over the last year. The new baseline limit for Hamilton County will be $647,200. This means that more homes now qualify for a conforming loan with lower down payment requirements and easier lending standards. The two challenges that have held many buyers back over the last year. The Federal Housing Administration, FHA, not to be confused with the FHFA, which is a federal housing finance agency that set these limits for conforming loans, it also increased its conforming loan limits for 2022, which means it may be easier to qualify for a loan. The Hamilton County FHA loan limit went from $379,500 to $426,880 for 2022. This means that a buyer can qualify for a higher priced home. Bottom line, buying your first home or your next home just got easier. Less stringent qualifying standards, less expensive, possibly lower mortgage rates. Let's connect to discuss how these changes may impact you. Again, it's Susan Roberts with eXp Realty, 317-777-9146. Or check out my website for more contact information at sellinghomesindy.com.